In today's video, we will share with you the 10 best bedtime snacks to boost your metabolism from nutritionists. The subtle pangs of hunger are getting louder, and dinner seems to have been ages ago. However, the issue is, what should you eat? Your stomach is telling you that you should eat a snack before going to bed. If you eat too little, your hunger pangs will be back before you know it. A large snack can prevent you from falling asleep. But don't worry, there is a sweet snack spot to aim for. Without raising your blood sugar or making your digestive system work hard is what matters. Finding some delicious, wholesome foods that satisfy you. 10 best bedtime snacks to boost your metabolism. Number 1, peanut butter and apple. The two ingredients are packed with healthy fats that keep you full for hours. Apple and peanut butter is a classic combination for a good reason. Peanut butter is an excellent source of protein, which helps keep your metabolism revved up. Research also shows that fruit and nut consumption is good for heart and weight maintenance. They are also rich in resveratrol, a compound that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and prevent fat storage. So, unlike many other snacks, they help you reach your weight loss goal while keeping you full and satisfied. While apples are rich in pectin, which helps regulate blood sugar and prevent blood sugar fluctuations that cause cravings and overeating. Number 2, popcorn seasoned with brewer's yeast. It is a whole grain, so it also keeps blood sugar levels steady, unlike sugary junky snacks that crash your energy and leave you feeling like you need another fix after a couple of hours. Popcorn is a great bedtime snack. Brewer's yeast is also a good source of amino acids essential for metabolism, because it is high in dietary fiber. Popcorn is low in calories, and brewer's yeast is a great source of B vitamins, which help your metabolism function efficiently, which keeps you feeling full. Number 3, banana and sunflower seeds. Try a bedtime snack of banana and sunflower seeds. If you are craving something sweet but do not want to sabotage your diet, tryptophan, an amino acid present in bananas, is converted to serotonin and melatonin in your body. Bananas are high in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer. Also, it is rich in minerals like magnesium and potassium, two chemicals that regulate mood and encourage sleep, which according to studies help with insomnia and sleep-related disorders. They are also a source of vitamin E, another metabolism booster that increases energy by improving blood flow. Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats that keep you full and satisfied longer than high-carb snacks like crackers or pretzels. Number 4, hummus and grape tomatoes. Grape tomatoes are packed with vitamin C and have very few calories, while hummus is high in protein and fiber. Hummus and grape tomatoes are healthy snacks if you are looking to lose weight, meaning that extra calories from the day won't get stored as fat. A bedtime snack of these two superfoods will keep your metabolism going strong. A late night snack can help you maintain a healthy weight as long as you choose the right one. A study published in the Nutrition Journal found that people who ate a daily snack had a lower body mass index, BMI, than those who did not snack. Number 5, hard-boiled egg and avocado. A high-protein, slow-burning snack like avocado and hard-boiled egg is a great choice before bedtime. The protein will help prevent your blood sugar levels from crashing. If you're feeling stressed, eating protein-rich foods can help calm your nervous system and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, keeping you energized and preventing the cravings that come with low blood sugar. A single serving container of just mashed avocado is a good way to get your daily serving of healthy fats, which will help you feel full and prevent overeating. Also, eggs are one of the best sources of melatonin, which helps you sleep peacefully at night. Number 6, whole grain bread with almond butter. Bread is high in carbohydrates, which are metabolized into energy. If you're trying to lose weight, a single portion of whole grain bread with almond butter is a great choice for a bedtime snack. A study published in the journal Appetite shows that whole wheat bread encourages satiety. Adding almond butter to it boosts the protein content of your snack, which will prevent your blood sugar from dropping too low and leaving you feeling tired and cranky. While almonds contain magnesium, a muscle-relaxing mineral that helps you sleep better, that would leave you feeling groggy in the morning. Eating a small amount of whole grain bread with a little almond butter is a better choice than a heavy carbohydrate snack. Number 7, pear and cheese. Pears are rich in fiber, which slows digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. For a sweet, soothing bedtime snack, try pear and cheese. Cheese is a good source of protein, which will also help keep you full and prevent overeating, which in response produces melatonin and serotonin and signals your body to relax. Also, it makes tryptophan more available to your brain. Number 8. Nuts and seeds. Similar to eggs, the protein content in nuts and seeds can prevent blood sugar spikes that lead to cravings and overeating. Nuts and seeds are a good protein-rich snack before bedtime. A single serving of peanuts, almonds, or sunflower seeds is a good source of protein. Nuts and seeds have a higher ratio of protein to carbs than most other snacks, making them a good bedtime snack. Vitamins and minerals like magnesium, which helps your body produce energy. Number 9. Oatmeal. It is a wonderful way to unwind at night as well. Hot cereals like oatmeal are not only good for breakfast, it is a bowl of goodness. A single portion of oatmeal with a few slices of banana, this slow-burning superfood is a great source of fiber and protein, which will help you feel full longer, will keep your metabolism going strong throughout the night. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon powder and nuts to add flavor and nutrition, making it easier for you to drop pounds and stay healthy. Number 10. A calming cup of chamomile tea. A cup of chamomile tea is a perfect pre-sleep treat. A study published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences shows that chamomile contains apigenin. This herbal tea is caffeine-free and has been shown to reduce stress, improve sleep, and boost metabolism. Chamomile tea is also rich in antioxidants, which have anti-aging properties and can help prevent disease, a chemical compound that induces sleep and produces a calming effect. If you are having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep, consider making a change to your diet. Although this can vary from person to person, generally you should avoid eating just before bed. Some people can eat something shortly before night without any ill effects. And best of all, it is low in calories and won't leave you feeling hungry enough to raid the fridge or go out for a late night snack. In addition to eating healthy, nighttime appropriate snacks, you should think about scheduling your snacks so that they do not disturb sleep. A healthy, balanced snack at bedtime can help you get the right nutrients you need to stay healthy and boost your metabolism. Giving yourself time to digest before bed can help you avoid issues, though it may take some trial and error. Others might need to set a cutoff time of 2 hours before bed due to the possibility that eating the food will create acid reflux. We hope that you found these 10 best bedtime snacks to boost your metabolism helpful. We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it so far. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and ring the notification bell if you want to see more content like this. Let's move forward with the video.